viewing. Once they review it, they accept it, you're in, and you can start advertising again. Hey guys, and welcome to another video with Yousif Alias with MediaTraffics.com. In this video, I'm going to go over a very important Facebook advertisement topic that's been happening in 2021 recently, which is verifying your Facebook ad account. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go on business.facebook.com. All right, and then you want to go on the ad account that needs verification. And so for instance, let's see if this one needs verification. Essentially, it's been happening for about 6 or 7 of my clients, and it's happening to new clients every day. So what we want to do is we want to go on business settings, right? And the next thing we need to do is go all the way to the bottom and go on business info. And then as you can see here, the business is not verified. There's no info, there's nothing, no phone number, none of that. So what you want to do is you want to hit edit and you want to fill all this information with the right details. All right. And then the next thing you want to do is view details. You're going to click on this one. And then you will see start verification. Now, sometimes you may not see this. There might not be a button. So you can simply create an app and it will start showing. So you're going to go to apps. And as you can see here, you can't add apps ID this business account because it's already has an app. So if this will show usually, and you can add an app right here. But anyway, you should probably see the verification button. So you're going to start verification, and then you're just going to put the same information you entered earlier, and you just follow the 1, 2, 3, 4 step process, and you're done. You know, right here it will say review. You can go back on business info. It will say reviewing. Once they review it, they accept it, you're in, and you can start advertising again. They've been doing it with most business accounts for some reason, but this is how you fix it. Let's do it and let's start getting results again. And remember, the people that don't fix it and they leave it and they give up, that's a good thing because now you're getting more results and you're getting more attraction for your ads, and there's less competition. So these things, when they change, it's actually a good thing if you fix it. But if you don't, you're losing. So till next time, see you guys on the next video. Peace.